So today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful waffle stitch headband. It is actually very easy to do. It doesn't look that easy, but it actually is. If you just follow my instructions, then you are able to do this. So let's begin. For the yarn, I've used this acrylic yarn. It's 100% acrylic, and in a size medium weight 4, I have this huge skein, which I used a little bit of. I used around 70 gram of this yarn for the headband. You'll also need a crochet hook size 4.5 millimeters and a tapestry needle and then some scissors. We begin with a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn and take the long end of the yarn behind the loop. Then grab it from the middle with your hook and pull. Now we create a chain. So yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. We keep chaining until it measures around the head we are making this headband for. For this pattern to work, we need to crochet in multiples of 3. So you keep chaining until it measures around the head, but keep in mind you have to be able to multiply it by 3. So 3, 6, 9, so on. And then you add 2. I chained 75 for it to reach around my head. And now I will add 2. 1, 2. So I have 77 in total. I'll now do the first row of single crochet. So I skip this first chain, move on to the second one, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. In the next chain, also a single crochet. I will do 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way across. I chained 77, so you should have 76 when you're across, because we skipped the first one. When we're all the way across, we have a strand looking like this. I'll now turn the row. I do that with 2 chains. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and turn the work. We will now do a row of double crochet. So skip the first 2 chains you made and go in this third stitch from your hook, yarn over, insert your hook through the third stitch from your hook and do a double crochet. Then yarn over, then go into the next stitch and do a double crochet and keep doing 1 double crochet in every stitch for the rest of the row. So just 1 double crochet in every stitch all the way across. And you should still have 76 stitches all the way. And then when we are across, we will now begin the waffle stitch. So chain 2 to turn the work, then turn. And now this chain 2 counts as the stitch that goes above this stitch down here. We will now do a stitch on top of this stitch, this next stitch, and that's a double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook in this stitch over here, this second one, do a double crochet, and we will now do a front post double crochet in this third stitch over here. So there's 1, 2, 3, a front post double crochet in this one. So yarn over to do a double crochet, then go down and grab this post so it lies in front of your hook, then yarn over, pull through, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That's a front post double crochet. We will now do 2 regular double crochet, so yarn over and do 2 regular double crochet. . Then we will again do a front post double crochet in this next one. So you have two regular ones and then a front post double crochet. So yarn over, go down and grab this post from the previous row, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Then 2 regular double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then a front post double crochet. So you see these front post double crochet, they comes out of the work and lies in front of it. We will now do a front post double crochet in this next one. It's these front post double crochets that create this waffle effect. So continue this way for the rest of the row. 2 regular double crochet, then a front post double crochet, then 2 regular, then a front post. I did my final front post double crochet and I have 1 stitch left to go, and then I have this chain hanging out here. So I will do a regular double crochet in this final stitch, and then I will do a final double crochet in this chain all the way on the edge. So just dive in this top chain and do a double crochet to finish the row, and that's your first row of the waffle stitch. Not much of a waffle looking pattern yet, but it will come. We will now chain 2 to turn the work. Turn. And this chain 2 counts as our first stitch that belongs to this stitch down here. In this next one, we will do a regular double crochet. So in this second one, we will do a front post double crochet. So yarn over, go down and grab this post and do a front post double crochet. And then we have this front post double crochet on the other side of the work that is behind the work. We will do a back post double crochet to push this out even further on the back side. So yarn over and then go behind and grab this post from the previous row on the back side to do a back post double crochet. Grab the yarn, pull through. Whoops. I'll show you that again. Grab the yarn, pull through. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Then 2 front post double crochet in the next 2. It's pretty obvious to see what to do when you get the pattern. And then we have one of these front post double crochet from the previous row on the back side. We will do a back post double crochet. So yarn over, grab the post from the previous row on the back side, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then 2 front post double crochet in the next 2. And then a back post double crochet in this on the back side. So each time there is one of these, you do a back post double crochet, and in all the others, in the rest, you do front post double crochets for this entire row. And you can now see the waffle pattern. You can see these horizontal lines begin forming with these verticals on top. So just continue this way for the rest of the row. At the end, I just did 2 front post double crochet, so I will now do a back post double crochet in this third stitch from the end. Now I only have 2 stitches left to go. I'll do a front post double crochet in the second last. And now we only have this final stitch, and I will do a regular double crochet in this stitch. All right, so that's row number 4. We have the first row of the single crochet, then we had a row of double crochet, and then we have the third and the fourth row. Now we will repeat row number 3. So chain 2, turn the work, and then repeat what we did down here on the third row. We have this chain 2 that counts as our first stitch. Then do a regular double crochet in this stitch, this second one. And then a front post double crochet to push this out even further. So yarn over, do a front post double crochet into this one to keep pushing it out. And then 2 regular double crochet in between these 2 posts. So that's 1 and 2. And then a front post double crochet into this one to push it out even further. So we will just repeat the row 3 all the way across. When you're across, you will repeat row number 4. So just rewind, watch the tutorial again, and watch how you do row number 4 if you cannot remember. But continue this pattern, repeat row number 3 and 4 until you think the headband is wide enough, and then I will show you how to finish it up. I ended up doing 8 rows of this waffle pattern, so 10 rows in total, including the single crochet and the double crochet row from the beginning. So 8 rows with this waffle pattern, and this measures, let's see, 9.5 centimeters. I will now finish it up. So at the end of this row number 10, I will chain 1, then turn the work, and then I'll do 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way across. So just skip this chain you just did, insert the hook in the next stitch, and just single crochet. And continue with 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way across. Then thread your tapestry needle and we can now sew it together. So now we have the right side facing up and we will now fold it on the middle. We will make an X twist, so we will do like this, and then we will push these things so they kind of grab each other. And make sure to push it all the way to the middle so there aren't any spaces in here. Just like so. And then we take our tapestry needle and push through all 4 layers. And again, pull through, push through all 4 layers. It's important to get a little bit of all 4. And then again, all 4. And then we continue all the way to the other end. When we are all the way at the other end, we will go once more all the way back. So through all layers all the way back. Now we are at the end and we will now weave in this end. So just push it through some of these stitches. And again, through the same stitches. Just go in somewhere else, so you just don't unravel it. And then all the way back again. Now we cut the yarn and then we let the magic happen. We turn it around and we now have this beautiful headband. So I hope you liked this tutorial I hope you found it easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!